What's up, everybody? So, yeah, I'm here at Ross's today. I first seen these and I was like, ooh, those are pretty dope, you know? Those are the Kobe 11s. Then I look over and what do they got? They got the Peach Jams for 50 bucks. They're a size 13, but it's all good, so I don't care. So, yeah, they say valuable like 140 on the tag, but really, that ain't real. I mean, these things are, what, 150 pairs made, max. They only went out to players. Yeah, so far, this is the first stop at Ross's. They also have these too. These are pretty clean. They're only 35 bucks. I like the bottoms on them. Real nice shoe. So yeah, I come in here and I got these two Kobe's. We're gonna get these. I got these Kobe's as well, but I don't know if those are even anything that you would actually buy. I mean, they're just another pair of Kobe 11s. So, but yeah, they want 70 bucks for them. They also want 70 bucks for these too. Comparable at 145. But we know these right here. I mean, 150 pairs made. They're only giving out to the players of the Peach Jam, which is the EYBL, which is on the bottom. Can't beat that. Say Peach Jam. Yeah, we spot these marks on there, man. I mean, I got stuff that takes them off without harming the shoe. But yeah, we're gonna grab these. This is our first stop of the day. I didn't really see anything else. I mean, that I need to have, but I did have these. I seen too, but not that sweet. I don't know. These are pretty sweet too. I don't mind them. That's a nice Kobe shoe. But for the first stop of the day, we're already getting these, and like I said, $49.99. I'm in Indiana too, so that's a 7% sales tax here. So we're gonna grab them. They also have these, but I don't know, man. Size 17, can't even mess with that. I mean, I don't even know anybody in the world with a size 17, so we're going down through the line. I ain't really seeing nothing else. They just opened. What are these? Oh, they're just some regular Nikes. Some Under Armours. What I've been trying to find though is these Adidas Crazy Explosives, I think they're called. I've seen them at a Ross before, but they only had like size 16 and a half, so I couldn't mess with them. These have been here every time I came in here, and look at that nasty ass insides. Then you look at the bottoms. That has been worn, bro. I mean, that's been worn. That's not like a shoe that just was tried on. I mean, that has been worn. I don't know if you can see this, but the actual shit is missing. And the inside is just full of dog hair. I mean, that's sick. And they want 25 bucks for them. Like, that's so gross. They've been here for a minute, too. I did just notice these. Let's see if they my size. I'm an EQT fan. I'm an Adidas fan, period. 45 bucks for 9.5. I really can't squeeze the 9.5, but that's a steal. That's a steal. I mean, look at that. It's almost like an Ultra Boost with that design on the toe. Then, yeah, real nice soft upper on it right there too. That's clean. And then, I mean, for the heat, I mean, this is the find of the year, really, for me so far, at least. I haven't came across nothing better. We've been had these, been had those. I mean, these right here still for 45 bucks. I mean, I guess that's a good deal. Those pennies ain't too bad. But they got these Kobe's too down here, I just noticed. These just another pair of 11s. I'm not too up on 11s. The only reason I know about these is because I did already do a little thing on the Peach Jam in the past, so I didn't know about these. But I mean, look at the heel is different and everything. From this 11 to this 11, that's totally different. You know, the backs are different, everything. But yeah, I mean, even these look like they've been tried on way too many times, all dirty like that. They got some nice futures in here. They got some SB classics in here. But yeah, we about to go to the biggest Ross store in the Midwest here. So let me get back to you. I'm gonna go grab these. I know some of y'all will be thinking, you know, Ross be having some fake videos out here about people buying stuff, but this is a find right here. I mean, if people know their thing, I mean, without a box, I guess you could still probably get $300 to $400 maybe for them. So I'm gonna end up paying about $57-$58 for these out the door. I have been a fan of Climate Cools though. Here's a pair of Climate Cools. I'm an Adidas fan, period. I love Adidas always. But these Climate Cools are sweet, you know, $40. I mean, if you knew a Climate Cool price back in the day, it wasn't cheap. It was never cheap. But look at the inside of this. Like, I know Climate Cool ain't that color on the sole, man. The insoles are supposed to be white. So I don't know if that's a flaw or what, but it looks like a triangle. It don't look like, I mean, y'all can see it. Like, that ain't cool. I mean, I don't like white shoes because of that, but for $40, 10 and a half, that's a steal. Now, I've seen these before too. They're $70. They're Jordans. Now, I had Jordan 32s, I think they were. 31s or 32s, and they had the same bottom on them. They were the North Carolinas, but as far as these go, I'm not sure. I don't think this is actually like a number. I think this is actually like a pro Jumpman series type thing, you know. But those are a little overpriced for being a regular shoe. So yeah, sorry about that. Let me go cop these so we can get on the road and take my ass over here to this big Ross store, man. Like I said, it's the biggest one in the Midwest. I've seen these here. I'm from Michigan. I'm not currently in Michigan, but somebody in Lansing would love these, man. Definitely love these. And they're only $25. I mean, you can't beat that. These ones are size 11 and a half. But $25 for some team shoes by Nike. I really ain't gonna be no fan of Michigan State ever, man. I'm a Michigan fan. Go Blue. But yeah, so here's the start of our day, man. Got some heat. These are heat too, though. I mean, that's way too big, size 14. I actually got a buddy that I think will like these. He's a size 13, so I know he'll probably want these off me right away. But yeah, they got that jean material here, man. Size 17. I think they're like $60. We can look real quick before we cut out. $50. Okay, so they're $50. So yeah, I will get my ass on the road to the next Ross's, and we'll be back.